A woman that accused Ringtone confesses. We'll share a little secret with you. There comes a time in the life of an entertainer when not only will the tides turn back so far, things suddenly go awry and it becomes so disastrous, it almost seems as if nothing will ever feel the same again. Remember the fiasco between Jesus and their unlawfully sired child with his blood cousin? Something like that. It comes in different forms though. And one of the most common and hilarious forms, however, is when the accuser becomes the accusee. When the person pointing fingers gets fingers pointed at them. Have you ever realized that the best get off? That the rules this person had even set up themselves stop being a matter of discussion and they will literally do anything and everything to get away from the skirmish? Well, we have another juicy story for you, and you won't guess who it is. None other than Ringtone, the gospel musician, turned into absentee father and the man who was accused of impregnating a woman many would not consider his type. Ringtone found himself in the middle of a social media frenzy when a woman who identified herself as a Kujumboso came out on social media and accused Ringtone of not only getting her pregnant, she said that he was not picking her calls and did not want anything to do with her anymore, and she was desperately looking for assistance. According to Mbosso, she had met Ringtone while on a job search only for the entire ordeal to turn romantic at a hotel and for him to leave her high and dry the next day. She said that after a few weeks she then began to feel queasy, and only after missing her periods did she test for pregnancy and shared the pregnancy news with him, only for him to escape it completely. Truth is, nobody really believed her story because this woman had had a track record of seeking attention from celebrities in the weirdest of ways, with the most recent and odd being when she tattooed Mbosso's name on her back, then later said that she regretted it. In the meantime, however, the tensions were rising with this story because, well, anything could be faked on the internet, even confidence. Now, Ringtone most definitely took this opportunity to address the lady with a hilarious quip, saying that that entire story was completely fake because he had no way of getting a woman pregnant. According to him, he had suffered an accident that forced his doctor to literally cut all of his private parts off.